Betty, you gotta crawl before you can walk, honey. Betty! There you go. Show her how to crawl, Tom.
No.
Betty! You can do it! No, don't walk! Don't walk! Don't walk, Betty! You gotta crawl, kid! Tom, show her how to do it. Look at your brother! Can you do it? Oh, you just want to walk. Move your knees. Move your knees. Don't move her arms so she'll bash her face.
No, make her.
Oh, better. Look at her. She wants to just stand right up. You're going to stand right up and walk out the door. Beds. Here, show her how to crawl again. Beds. Use your knees. Use your knees. She's thinking about something. She's like, Whoa. Whoa. Are you okay? Ah. Is that in your way? Betty, there you go. Oh, nice recovery. How do I ask? Betty, should we play Legos? Do you want to get out those big Legos and make a city? Pets! Pets!
A Lego Ninjago city.
All right, the big Legos are in the bag in your room. You can get those yourself. What do you have to say? You don't need help. What do you have to say? No, what do you have to say to the camera? Say, Red Robin. Ah. Show your sister how to crawl.
No thank you. No thank you. No thank you.
Betty!
No thank you. No thank you.
Is that the toy you like? Is it too hard for you? That toy's really complicated. Are you okay? Betty! Betty, what next? You gonna drive the car? Whoa. Hey, Thomas. Tommy.
What?
I love you.
Now get out the Legos, please.
Hey, do your Mario voice.
Mario.
It's me, a Mario. Do some of your other voices. Hi, Betty.
Mario.